Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we're gonna take a look at Archdesk to see if this is the best construction management software out there. So basically I have here some pros and cons. So as you can see, the pros is that it's customizable workflows, budgeting, scheduling and CRM. It's cloud-based, easy integration with tools like Xero and QuickBooks. Now, the downside of this, the cons, is that it can be pricey and complex for small firms, and some users report a learning curve. Now, it's great for mid to large construction companies needing full project plus financial control, not ideal for very small teams. So if you're a small team, I don't recommend you using it. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.